Hello everyone, so I have here just removed my using this my new advanced stock model, which is the Python stock model, and I have successfully removed the future rates of NTPC LTD stock. I provided the data like this. First, the stock ticker was NTPC. I entered the start date of 2024, 1st January. I entered the end date of 2024. This is was 8 and 10, 2024, 8/10. First, then it feeded the data to the epoch layers. Then using CV and bootstrap method, I feeded the data into folds. 3 folds, 48 candidates, total 144 fits. After that, this and then it predicted the future price using LTSM. Random forest model also removed its price and contributed in the LTSM predictions. Got the LTSM predictions. Now let's compare the charts. Here, I have entered the end date for 10th 8, 10/8/2024, and here the value is. Let's check the value of 12. For 11, what it is showing, and compare them to the real values. So here on 12th August, the price was around 401, 402, and up to 404. It got a fall, and here also I am seeing a fall for 12th August. Let's see here. Yeah, approximate 395 I got, which is a very good prediction. Then I got a raise here, 406.85, and on Monday 12 August 11:30. Here on Monday of not Monday, it's on Tuesday 13th August 397. Let's check for 13. This is hold for 13. Yeah, 13 again a raise and 403. The stock's price is 403. Okay, and this is of 12 a.m. So let's check here. 2024 8/13 397, around 397 it's showing. On 14th the stock remains same. So let's check for 14th. It remains same for 397, and on 16 395. So let's check on 16. This is for 20. Very close prediction, 394.84. Very close predictions I am getting. A purely web-based model which has now increased its functionality to better. Very good prediction for this, and soon getting this model open source. Thank you.